Hello students, today we are going to discuss on article writing. The question we have is how to write a good article. अच्छा लेख कैसे लिखें? So in this video we are going to discuss on writing a very good article. Dear students, article writing is a high level of composition. In order to write a great article, you need to have great thought process. So reading is very vital in order to write on a particular topic. If you have good knowledge of subject matter, you will definitely be able to write a very good article. As it has been said by the father of the essayist, Nobel Francis Bacon, he said that reading makes a full man, writing a noble man, and conference a ready man. So in order to write a very good article, you have to read several things. So you need to have a very good thought process, very logical thought process. That is how you will be able to write a very good article. So we are going to talk about what is an article. An article is a written work published in a print electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, researching results, academic analysis, or debate. Generally, it is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. Basically, we can see an article in a newspaper or magazine and we get it as a question in our question paper with 10 marks. An article is an expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject logically and coherently written in meaningful paragraphs. So, in an article, our thoughts should be in a meaningful paragraphs and they should be in a logical order. Writing an article is a challenging task. It needs creativity, good vocabulary, good knowledge of the subject, and skill to organize ideas. So you need to have a good creativity, you need to have a good vocabulary and good knowledge of the subject matter while you are writing an article. Purpose: to focus on themes like social concern, narrating an event, description of a place, etc. So when you are writing an article, so you may have an article based on some social concern like dowry system, like women condition of women in our society, or that could be any topic related to our society, or narrating an event, or the article can be based on any event or description of a place, or it could be the article can describe about any place. So while writing, we have to keep certain points in our mind. Give a title that catches the attention of the reader. So in order to write a very good article, the title of the article should be very attractive. It should catch the eyes of the reader. Begin with striking opening sentence which addresses the readers and gets them interested in the topics. So when you are using a introducing sentence, that sentence should be very attractive and it should strike the readers. Like you can use a quotation which directly motivate the readers to read the entire article. Present a strong argument for your ideas, supporting it with evidences of elaboration. So you have to present your arguments with evidences in elaborate manner so that your points can be proved. Use linking devices, however, therefore, although, even though, in order to make the composition appear a whole. So in order to use the connectivity of thoughts, you have to use certain words which reflect that you are adding all kinds of thoughts in your article. Introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph that follows to strengthen your ideas. So in order to give strength to your ideas, you have to begin each and every paragraph with new thoughts. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. So you have to give high level of thoughts in your paragraphs while writing an article. Conclude with your strongest points. So while you are concluding the article, you have to give the strongest point in the concluding remarks. Use passive voice, humor, emotive language, rhetorical questions to provide a specific effect. So an article should always be in an indirect manner, in an objective manner, and you have to use passive voice, and emotive language and rhetorical questions can be used in the article. Choose words and phrases carefully so that they exactly express your ideas. So the vocabulary you choose should be very clear, and they should be related to your subject matter, and they should help your language to express the thoughts you are trying to explain. Do not use unnecessary words. Be brief. Avoid repetition and padding. Frame short, simple, and idiomatic sentences. Be clear in what you write. Do not use words which are not fully known to you. Be natural. Do not imitate other writers. Express your own ideas in your own style. So, in order to write an article, you have to choose your own words, your own vocabulary, and your own style. You should not try to imitate other writers. The subject matter, the thoughts should be original, and it should be your own thoughts. That is how you can be successful in writing articles. So, article writing format. When a student has to attempt a question on article writing, he has to follow the article writing format prescribed by CBSE. Here you can see how to write article writing formats in detail. So, what could be the good format of writing an article? The format of an article consists of the following parts. So, an article has these parts. First is heading. As I have already discussed, heading should be very attractive. That should inspire the readers to read the entire article. Second is byline, and byline means you should introduce the article with some good statements, like you can use quotations and any report that has been published on the subject matter and main body of the article. And while starting a new paragraph, you have to begin each and every paragraph with new thoughts. This is the article on Bhopal gas tragedy. You can see the horrendous tragedy brought about by the leak of toxic gas at the Union Carbide pesticide factory in Bhopal has been described as the worst environmental disaster in history. So one of the worst in the history of environmental disaster, the Bhopal gas tragedy, in the Union Carbide factory in Bhopal is very famous accident. So this is the article on Bhopal gas tragedy, in which thousands of people died due to the leakage in gas plants in Union Carbide factory. So you can write your thoughts on in a logical order, in indirect manner, in an objective manner. The second article I have chosen is GST, Goods and Service Tax. So GST is an indirect tax which was introduced in India on 1st July 2017 and was applicable throughout India, which replaced multiple cascading taxes levied by the central and state governments. It was introduced as the Constitution 101st Amendment Act 2017, following the passage of Constitution 122nd Amendment Bill. The GST is governed by a GST Council and its chairman is the Finance Minister of India. So you have to introduce the article in very positive manner, in which you have to give introduction of the article, the topic. In the main body, you can give merits and demerits of the subject matter of the topic, and you can write your thoughts, how your thoughts are on the matter, what your thoughts are on the matter, and in the concluding stanza, in the concluding lines, you can give the solution, that what could be the solution and how the things can be made better. So this is how you can write a good article, and you can also use several topics which are available in books, like you can use women empowerment, you can use pollution, you can use population control, and the several things like terrorism and environmental problems that are heading, and you can use the problem of natural disaster in India or in Uttarakhand, specifically according to our state. So you can write article according to your priority. So this is the topic we have discussed today. You can write your thoughts to me And in our next video, we will discuss on topics, several topics on in this article thing, in the series of article writing. So till then, thank you very much.